making breakfast? The baby's making breakfast. We're making hearts with garlic and onion, and Matthew's making himself scrambled eggs. And I have my scrambled eggs and Daddy's soup. Careful, hot. Do you like cooking? Don't know. Keep it in there. Gentle, gentle. Careful of your tummy and your hand. Put more garlic in. Garlic. Careful, hot. Blow kisses. Yeah, hot, huh? Gotta learn.